Welcome to 15-Minute English Drive. I'm Leo.
And I'm Debbie. Today, we dive straight into 12 essential words about handling landlord issues. Let's go! My landlord took my deposit.
What? No way. Okay, let's do a role play about this. You be the landlord and I'll be the new tenant.
Okay, I am the landlord. Welcome to your new flat. It is a very nice place.
Yes, thank you. I am a very good tenant. I always pay on time.
That sounds excellent. Your rent is due on the 1st of every month. Please remember that.
No problem at all. I have the first month's rent right here, and the last month's too.
That's great. Now we just need to sign the lease. It is for 1 year, starting today.
Okay, I will sign the leasey. Is that right? It sounds funny.
Laughs. The lease. Yes, just lease. It's a document, a paper with all the rules.
Right, the lease. Okay, I'm signing it now. This is my new home for a year.
Yes, welcome. I am your landlord, so please call me with any problems. My number is here.
Great, thanks. I will be the best tenant you have ever had. I am very clean and quiet.
We will see about that. Just make sure you pay your rent on time. That is most important.
Of course. I will pay my rent before the 1st. I promise. I am excited to move in.
Okay, great. Here are the keys to your new home. Enjoy the flat.
Okay, pause. That was a great start. Did you hear my little mistake with leasey? It felt real.
It did. And you used 4 great words. Let's talk about them. The first was landlord.
Landlord. A landlord is the person who owns the apartment. You pay them money.
Yes, that's right. My landlord is a nice woman. She lives in the building next door.
Same for me. My landlord owns 3 buildings on my street. He is a very busy man.
The next word was the opposite, tenant. T-E-N-A-N-T.
A tenant is the person who pays to live in the apartment. So I am a tenant.
Yes. For example, a good tenant always pays on time. They keep the apartment clean.
That's true. My sister Mia is a tenant in a big building. She has many neighbors.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay, our third word was rent. R-E-N-T.
Rent is the money you pay every month. You pay it to the landlord to live there.
My students always asked about this. They would say, "The rent is too high in this city."
Ha, they are right. The rent in Chicago is very expensive. It goes up every year.
It does. Our last word in that scene was lease. L-E-A-S-E.
This is the word I said wrong. A lease is the paper you sign. It is a contract.
Yes, it is an agreement. It says how long you will live there. It also has all the rules.
My lease is for 1 year. I signed it last summer. It's a very long document to read.
Yes, always read the lease. It is very important. Mine says no pets, so my cat Biscuit is a secret.
Gasps. Debbie? A secret cat? I can't believe it. I won't tell your landlord.
Laughs. Thank you, Leo. Okay, so we have landlord, tenant, rent, and lease.
4 very important words for renting a place. And I think our listeners understood them all.
I think so too. Don't worry if lease is a new word. It is a bit formal.
It's just one of those words you have to learn. Like when I got my first car, so many new words.
Yes, exactly. Every situation has its own vocabulary. It's normal to feel a bit lost at first.
That's a good point. Okay, ready for our next scene? This one is a bit more stressful.
Oh no. Okay, let's do it. This time I'll be the tenant. You can be the building manager.
Okay, I'm ready. I have my coffee, so I have energy. Hello, this is building management.
Hi, I'm calling about a maintenance issue in my flat. It's apartment 3B.
A maintenance issue? Okay, what is the problem? Is something wrong?
Yes, my fridge is broken. It stopped working this morning. It is not cold at all.
The fridge is broken? Oh, that's not good. Is that the only problem?
No, there is also a leak under the kitchen sink. Water is coming out onto the floor.
A leak? Oh dear. And the broken appliance is the fridge? Let me write this down.
Yes, the fridge. It's a big appliance, so I can't move it. And the leak is getting bigger.
A leak in a broken appliance. This is not a simple maintenance issue. I will send someone now.
Thank you so much. I'm worried about the water. Please send someone quickly.
I will. They will be there in 1 hour. Don't worry, we will fix it today.
Okay, great. Thank you for your help. I will wait for them.
And pause. Wow, you sounded very worried. I felt the stress. My morning coffee is gone now.
Laughs. Well, a leak is very stressful. You used our 4 new words perfectly. Let's start with maintenance issue.
Okay. maintenance, and then issue. A maintenance issue is a problem in the apartment.
Yes, it's a general term. It can be a small problem or a big one. It means something needs to be fixed.
Right. So you could say, I have a maintenance issue with my heat or with the windows.
Exactly. My last flat had many maintenance issues. That is why I moved.
Oh, I understand that. Next word, broken. broken.
This is a common word. It means something is not working. It is damaged.
My phone screen is broken. I dropped it yesterday at the gym. It happens all the time.
Oh no. Yes. Or you could say the door is broken. I can't open it. It is a very useful word.
For sure. Okay, the third one was leak. A-leak.
A leak is when water or gas comes out of a hole. A water leak is a very common problem.
Yes, my sister Mia had a leak in her bathroom. Water came through the ceiling. It was bad.
Oh, that is a big problem. A small leak can become a big one very fast.
That is very true. You need to fix a leak right away. It is important.
Good point. Our final word for this part was appliance. appliance.
An appliance is a machine you use in your home, like a fridge, a stove, or a dishwasher.
Yes, that's right. My favorite appliance is my kettle for my tea. I use it every day.
Of course it is. Mine is my coffee maker. It's the most important appliance in my kitchen.
Laughs. I knew you would say that, Leo. So, an appliance can be big or small.
Right. So a broken appliance can be a big maintenance issue. The words connect.
They do connect. I always tell my students to look for these connections. It helps you remember.
Good tip. It's like a story. The tenant has a maintenance issue because an appliance is broken and has a leak.
Exactly. You've got it. Okay, we have 4 words left. Are you ready for the final scene?
I'm ready. Let's make this one a positive one. We need to solve the problem from the beginning.
Okay, I like that. So let's go back to your deposit. You be the tenant, I'll be the landlord again.
Hi, Debbie. I need to talk to you. I have a family emergency and I have to move.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. Is everything okay? What is the emergency?
My sister needs me to come help her. So I need to give notice that I am leaving the apartment.
I see. The lease says you need to give 30 days notice, but this is an emergency.
I know. I don't want to complain, but I can't wait 30 days. I have to leave next week.
I understand. In this case, we can make an exception. I will not complain about the short notice.
Really? Thank you so much. What about my security deposit? Will I get it back?
Well, if the apartment is clean and nothing is broken, you will get your full security deposit back.
It is very clean. I promise. I will leave it looking perfect. I really appreciate this.
Of course. A family emergency is very important. Just leave the keys on the counter.
And scene. See? A happy ending. A kind and understanding landlord. We fixed it.
We did. And you used the last 4 words perfectly. The first one was emergency.
emergency. An emergency is a serious and sudden situation. It is often dangerous.
Yes, you must act fast. For example, a fire is an emergency. A bad car accident is an emergency.
A family emergency means something serious happened with your family. It's a very common phrase.
It is. The next phrase was give notice. 2 words. GIVE, then NOTICE.
To give notice means to tell your boss or landlord you are leaving. It's a formal announcement.
That's right. You usually have to give notice a few weeks before you leave. It's in your contract.
Right. At my last job, I had to give 2 weeks' notice. It's polite and professional.
Yes, it is. Next up, we have complain. COMPLAIN.
To complain is to say you are unhappy about something. Nobody likes to hear someone complain all the time.
Laughs. That is true. I try not to complain about the bus being late, but sometimes I do.
Same for me with traffic. I complain about the traffic on my way to work every single morning.
I can imagine. Okay, our very last word is security deposit. 2 words again.
CCURITY and DEPOSIT. This is money you give the landlord at the start.
Yes, it is money they keep to pay for any damage. If there's no damage, you get it back.
Right. So, in my hook, your landlord took your deposit? That's not good.
It was a true story. He said I broke the door, but it was already broken when I moved in.
Oh no. So you had to complain about it. You surely wanted that deposit back.
I did. I got half of it back in the end. It is a common problem for a tenant.
Wow, okay. So we have learned 12 very useful words today. I feel more confident now.
Me too. You know what time it is, Leo? It's time for our lightning round recap.
My favorite part. Okay, I'll give you a clue. You say the word. Ready, Debbie?
I am ready. Let's go.
Okay. The person you pay money to for your apartment.
Landlord! The paper you sign for 1 year.
A lease. The money you pay each month.
Rent. A problem with the water pipe under the sink.
A leak. My fridge is not working. It is.
Broken. The person who lives in the apartment.
A tenant. The big machines in your kitchen, like a stove.
An appliance. When you are unhappy and you say it.
To complain. A very serious problem that happens suddenly.
An emergency. The money you get back when you move out.
A security deposit. A general problem that needs fixing.
A maintenance issue. And telling your landlord you are leaving.
To give notice. Wow, we did it. 12 words.
We did. And you at home, you did it too. You learned 12 new words for your English drive.
That's so great. Now you can talk about your apartment problems. Hopefully you don't have any, though.
Yes, hopefully not. But now you are prepared. Well done, everyone. Keep up the great work.
Yeah, you are doing great. Keep practicing. We know language learning is hard, but you can do it. That is the end of today's 15-minute English drive. Great work listening all the way through.
New episode every day. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. Keep practicing, and we will see you tomorrow. Safe drive.